Spacing on the track.
Rolling. Check this shit out. Rolling.
What it do, YouTube? It's Judon coming back for you guys one more again. Still waiting for the interior to get out the interior shot right there. I haven't installed nothing in the car yet. You know, I was telling you guys about the radio upgrade that I was doing. So I wanted to try something a little different. So I actually did a JVC Double Din. It's a KW V620BT. That's mirror link for you guys that got Androids or Apple phone, iPhone, what we know of. And then I'm gonna put it with a Radio Pro 5. Nice little kit. You know, they had a few more on the market. They had the Metro kit, and they also had the Scotch kit, like my big dog, that boy Wild 10 got in his Camaro. But I really just didn't want to copy on what he did. I wanted to try something different. And for one reason, because I really wanted to try something different, is because I just wasn't fond of all the extra buttons. Now what I mean on that, now this one right here is a factory look. The only thing I have to do is take my knobs off my original unit and put them knobs on this kit, because they don't come with it. And the reason, because I really wanted to do that, like I say, it was a factory look. And on the Metro, it got buttons also, which the Scotch is more of a digital type display. But I wasn't fond of the buttons, really, because this car is a turn knob unit. And so now you going back with something that is buttons. And the vehicle, I know technology is good, but the vehicle is really not aware of all that on what's going on. I was reading on the internet, a lot of people had complaints. So I just decided something different. It wasn't the highest and it wasn't the cheapest. It was in between both of them other two kits right there. But on the overall rating, I'm about to say I think I got a good deal going on here. And like I say, I'm paired it up with a 800 watt 4-channel amp right there. So you guys know I'm gonna keep it turned down. I don't got no bass or nothing in the car. But I think that's gonna be a nice little look up in it right there. And everything on the JVC, Bluetooth capability, microphone when the phone ring, just the whole 9 yards. You know, what we need nowadays. Hand-free safe calling, right guys? And also I do got a grill up in it. I had the grill up in it, I don't know, probably a couple weeks after I got the car. I done had the car now about, I don't know, 5 or 6 months, give or take. But that was like a next week process on the grill, because I just couldn't go bare with it. And so it's a different kind of look. Got your chrome trim going all the way through. Bottom, got your chrome trimming on the outside. And then you even got, where the fog light set, you got your mesh material with your chrome trimming. So I think it looked pretty good, guys. But you guys stick around, I'm coming back. It's a lot of wires up in here, but pretty much everything is direct plug and play. You know, the new model vehicles not like the old school. Pretty much a plug and play and go with the flow with it. Alright guys, when I get this one underway and finished, I'll be back.